Hello, and welcome to the Complete Python Masterclass from beginner to advanced. First off, I want to introduce myself. You're going to see my face a lot as you go through the various sections and lectures within this course. So, my name is Kyle Pugh, and I want you to say hello, right? One thing that I want to do as you go through and participate in this course is encourage you to take advantage of the Q&A section of the course. Get in there, ask your questions, and participate as you go through the material. Now, the first way that I'm going to ask you to participate is jump into the Q&A section and introduce yourself. Let me know who you are, why you're here. Are you picking up Python for the first time? Are you learning a new skill? Or perhaps you're coming from another programming language and you want to see what Python is all about. Whatever the case is, I'm going to be here, take you from the beginning steps of programming with Python to becoming an advanced user of Python. So participate in the course, enjoy the material, jump into the Q&A section, say hello, and ask your questions. As you progress through the material, you're going to find some stuff that, oh yeah, it comes natural. I know what that's talking about. You'll find some other stuff that takes a little bit more work to really start to grasp, and perhaps a little bit more definition is needed. So ask your questions as well. Also, you can interact with other students that are in the course. As of this point right now on the Udemy platform, I have worldwide 170,000 plus students. And I'll need to update that tomorrow because that number is continually increasing. I've enjoyed so much using Udemy as a platform to share the knowledge that I have. That's why I'm here. Ask your questions, allow me to help you as you journey into Python. So once again, hello and welcome to the course. The next video, I'm going to give you a quick overview on what the course consists of, and then you'll start jumping in and programming within Python. So I'll see you in the course.